A new report claims that a Blizzard technical artist will not be facing any repercussions from Blizzard management after he posted "Kill Your Local MAGA" on Facebook. I wrote this up over at phantompulse.com. You can find the link in the description below. To get you caught up to speed, Kyle Hickey, or Kyle Jacob Hickey, as he was referring to himself on Facebook, posted this on January 21st on Facebook. He posted "Kill Your Local MAGA." After that, he pretty much deleted all of his social media presence on Facebook, LinkedIn, X, etc. He deleted it all. And now there was no reason for him to delete it because apparently he's not going to be facing any repercussions whatsoever, at least from Blizzard management. This report comes to us from former World of Warcraft team lead Mark Kern, a.k.a. Grums. Obviously, World of Warcraft being a game made by Blizzard, he likely still has connections there, and they obviously have provided him with some inside scoop here. And he says, "Nothing is being done. I have confirmed with insider sources that nothing has happened to the Blizzard artist who called for offing local MAGA." He then shares his opinions on this, which I 100% agree with. Outrageous. Imagine if he had said this about the left. Completely one-sided HR policies, which have zero tolerance for this type of language unless they agree with it. Death threats are wrong, folks, and I'm tired of people saying they are just jokes. I 100% agree with Mark Kern, with Grums here. He is absolutely right. This is outrageous. The fact that Blizzard is not taking action against something so heinous shows that they are tacitly supporting this. This is the stance of the company. If you can't discipline this guy, if you can't make a statement saying that you are going to discipline this person, then you stand for this. You are standing for this. This is something you are encouraging. If you're not going to punish it, you are encouraging it. Anyone who has children should know this. If you're a parent, you know this because your kids are going to continue to push the line. If you don't say no and discipline them. It's exactly what is happening right here. Allowing it to happen. Encouraging it to happen. Now, they're not rah-rah cheering it on. But they're Pontius Pilate, washing their hands. And crucifixion still happens, right? There's a moral failing of Pontius Pilate to intervene. Tradition tells us he repented. I pray he did. But regardless, this is wrong. Blizzard should be taking action against this. This should not be tolerated. You should not be encouraging people to kill other people because of a political disagreement. In fact, 77 million people voted for President Donald Trump. He won the popular vote. And this guy wants to kill his supporters that voted for him. It's evil. Evil. And then they'll accuse Donald Trump of being Nazi, fascist, whatever, when they're the ones literally advocating for the death of their political opponents. Sick stuff. Sick stuff. Well, unfortunately, this is what Blizzard is. They encourage this stuff. We know this because Grums leaked this statement, this message from Activision Blizzard CEO Rob Kostich, indicating he is defying President Donald Trump's executive orders on DEI. Now, he's posted a bunch of executive orders. A couple of them had to do with DEI. He removed it from the federal workforce. There's another one that specifically targeted the private sector as well, saying that it is immoral. These DEI practices are immoral and they are illegal. And he is going to use the government, regulatory measures, lawsuits, etc., to put an end to it because it is wrong. That's in President Donald Trump's executive order. What does Rob Kostich say? To be clear, this work continues to be extremely important in everything that we do. It's important to our games, our culture, and who we are as a company. Our inclusive growth team has made great strides in helping us weave inclusivity in all aspects of business. Our strategy here remains focused on enhancing the experiences of all employees, providing exceptional experiences to players globally, and providing accessible opportunities to those interacting with our company and brand. I look forward to all the great work we'll continue to do together. He's doubling down on the DEI. He's doubling down. So it's no surprise when their employees are posting stuff like this and are not getting punished. Because this is who Blizzard is. This is who's leading them. They're doubling down on immorality. They're doubling down on evil. And they promote this stuff. I mean, he's talked about how this is at the core of its business. A critical component of our future success. Diversity, equity, inclusion is a critical component of our future success. Our journey toward fostering DE&I began years ago, fueled by the passion and stories shared by our employees. To fulfill our vision of becoming the most inclusive blockbuster games company, we've embedded DE&I in every aspect of our operations, shared in a statement to the Activision Blizzard's 2023-2024 Diversity, Equity, and Inclusion Report. I mean, it's right here. You can look at it. Look at this. This is what he said. It's in their report. It's in the report. Also in the report is the promotion of transgenderism, the transgender ideology. This idea that one can be neither male nor female, or one can transition from male to female. It's absurd. It's an attack on reality. I mean, look at how they talk about this. It is important that our games authentically showcase different cultures, identities, and lived experiences. One example we're excited about is Catbat. What cultures, identities, and lived experiences does Catbat represent? Even if you take them on their face with this whole representation stuff. Activision's first non-binary character. There's no such thing as a Catbat. And yet they're going to tell you that this is somehow authentically showcasing different cultures, identities, and lived experiences. It's an attack on reality. These people are attacking reality. What does this promote? This promotes death. It promotes destruction. That's where transgender ideology leads. It leads to pain. It leads to suffering. It leads to mutilation. It leads to death and destruction. All of this is connected. So when you see this guy promoting death, encouraging people to kill other people, unfortunately, it's not surprising. It's sickening. It's repulsive. But it's not surprising coming from Blizzard because they literally promote a culture of death right here. It's in their report. This is the Blizzard culture. This is who Blizzard is. Now, maybe they can prove me wrong. I doubt it. The fact that they aren't punishing this guy, the fact that the first inclination wasn't to get this guy in a meeting, say absolutely not, what are you talking about, is not to publish it. The fact that they didn't publish a statement saying we are disciplining this guy, we are handling this, maybe assigning him to some kind of therapy. The fact we haven't seen any of that, I think, shows you where Blizzard stands. He posted this January 21st. It's February 5th now. It's February 5th. Nothing. Those are my thoughts. Let me know what you guys make of this. Let me know in the comments below. Remember, always be charitable, especially to each other, and to always, always speak the truth.